truck up here that got busted by the DOT, so we're here to check it out. Don't really know what's going on too much yet, but they left it over here overnight, so we're gonna figure out what's going on here and see what we can do to get it resolved. No brakes. We're gonna hook this up to my truck and see what's up with the brakes. We'll give it a whirl. So the reason we were doing this is because we got up there and there was no keys for the truck. So we're gonna try to slide that right over so I could get my truck up to it and get that out of there first off, and then come back later to deal with the truck. Straight back?
Yep. All right, good.
I would say the only thing you want to take note of these things, just never ever take them off. After getting that trailer legal and back to the lot, came back to get the truck, but the door lock would not work even though I had the keys, so I had to just flip an airbag in the window and get that door open, simply just to get the truck moved to a dry spot without any snow. Now that we got it on dry ground, just got under there, and this is a four-wheel drive truck. It's got a DT466 International with automatic, but this is a four-wheel drive truck. So the drive shaft from the front axle here was bad, and then the U-joints between the transmission and the transfer case on this short drive shaft were shot as well. So just have to pull these off and go get the U-joints matched up. Now that I got these out, I'm gonna head back to the shop and get these pressed out. First, there's just little metal tabs around each bolt that you have to bend over, and that way you can get the socket on there and just zip those bolts right out. I'll speed this up a little bit. This press here, I got this, I believe, on Amazon, and it comes with the puller right here, which makes this job much easier. I've done it before without this tool, but it makes it a very difficult job. And then also it comes with the tool to press them back in, which is worth the money for sure. Next day here at the shop, got the parts for the bucket truck. Got 4 new U-joints, so first we're just gonna throw these in here and then we'll be off to get this back in the truck and get it back to the lot. Alright, we're back up here at the truck. Gonna get this thing back in there. And yeah, it's pretty wonderful weather. And I definitely don't edit any time out of this. Didn't struggle with it at all. The water dripping in my face, that's not even wet. I'm not even cold. Well, this truck is good to go, legal to take it back to the lot and get a few things squared away now. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned anything, I don't recommend trying it, but have a wonderful day.